Ever sat in your car and thought, man, these speakers just don't cut it? I've been there, and honestly, nothing ruins a drive faster than tinny, weak sound. So I went ahead and bought the top 5 focal car speakers you can get right now, tested them all myself, and I'm breaking down which ones actually deliver real, punchy sound so you don't waste your money. Product number 1, Focal, is Toy 690 two-way component kit. When I held the Toy 690, the first thing I noticed was how solid it felt. No flimsy plastic here. Installing it was shockingly easy too. I didn't have to cut any wires or mess with my car, which was a huge relief. Once I fired it up, the deep bass immediately stood out. That elliptical cone really hits low without muddying the mids. Vocals sounded clear and high notes didn't feel sharp or harsh. I actually drove around for a few songs just to test the clarity at different volumes, and it held up surprisingly well. My favorite part, the way it replaced my stock speakers without any modifications. Honestly, it felt like my car got a serious upgrade overnight. If you're rocking a compatible Toyota and want simple, high-quality sound with zero hassle, this is definitely the one. The clarity is great, and that bass makes casual listening way more fun, setting a high bar before even moving to the next option. Product number 2, Focal 165 AC 6.5 Coaxial Kit. Holding the 165 AC, I immediately noticed its sleek, compact design. The aluminum tweeter feels sturdy, and the fiberglass-filled ABS chassis gives it a premium weight. You can tell Focal didn't cut corners. Plugging it in, I was impressed by the crisp highs and punchy mids. At 60 W nominal power, it didn't strain at moderate volume, but cranking it up to 120 W max brought out real clarity and depth that my old speakers just couldn't touch. The sensitivity felt just right. I didn't have to amp it to enjoy solid sound throughout my car. I really liked how versatile it felt. You could easily swap it into most setups without fiddling with a ton of gear. If you're looking for something that delivers clear sound with decent bass, but doesn't require an amplifier, this 165 AC is a solid pick. It's the kind of speaker that makes you notice details in your music you never heard before, giving your daily drives a little extra punch. Product number 3, Focal ASC 165 Auditor EVO Series 6.5 two-way component kit. The ASC 165 felt premium right out of the box. The black lacquered tweeter gives it a classy look, and holding it, I could tell the components were built to last. Focal really put thought into the materials. They feel solid without being heavy or awkward to mount. In my tests, the sound blew me away. The highs were clear, the mids were full, and the bass, while subtle, blended perfectly with the rest of the frequencies. I noticed the speakers were very easy to amplify. I just hooked them up to a small amp and the difference was night and day. Surface-mounted or integrated, they delivered consistent performance without distortion, even at higher volumes. If you love clean, detailed sound and might want to amp it later, this is the one. It's for anyone who appreciates a true, high-fidelity listening experience in their car without cutting corners. Honestly, after hearing these, the next speaker had some big shoes to fill. Product number 4, Focal ACX 165 Auditor EVO Series 6.5 two-way coaxial speaker kit. Picking up the ACX 165, I could feel the same attention to detail as the ASC 165. The lacquered tweeter and sturdy frame felt like Focal packed a lot of quality into a coaxial design. It's lighter than the component kit, so installation is simpler if you don't want to mess with separate crossovers. Vocals and instruments were balanced, and the highs never felt piercing. It's easy to amplify, but even at stock volume, it gave a crisp, satisfying sound that made my old speakers feel flat in comparison. What surprised me was the versatility. You can mount it on the surface or integrate it neatly into your car panels, and it still sounds consistent. It's the coaxial version I'd grab if I wanted near-component quality with simpler setup. Product number 5, Focal Access 165 CA1 6.5-inch coaxial speaker kit. Holding the 165 CA1, I immediately noticed the build. The woven glass fiber cone feels sturdy, and the butyl rubber surround adds a little bounce that really improves sound response. The adjustable tweeter was a game changer. I could position it to get the best soundstage in my car without rewiring anything. When I tested it, the sound was wide and detailed. Highs were clean, mids were full, and the bass had a nice punch without being overbearing. Hitting 120W max power, it handled loud tracks without distorting, and the 4-ohm impedance makes it compatible with a wide range of setups. The aluminum tweeter added extra clarity, which I could really hear in vocal-heavy tracks. If you're looking for a coaxial kit that balances easy installation with excellent sound quality, this is it. Perfect for anyone who wants a big improvement over factory speakers without adding extra amps. After trying all 5, this one definitely surprised me with its combination of flexibility and performance. That's a wrap on the best focal car speakers I've tested. Every one of these brings something different to the table, depending on what you need: deep bass, easy installation, or premium clarity. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and grab the one that fits your ride.